iRobot Roomba. Just a quick overview of cleaning. She is about 2.5 years old. She does really well most of the time. Sometimes she gets a little lost in her paths and getting back to her docking station, but really happy with her. And just a quick video of cleaning. So this has been about a month and it's time to clean the rollers again. Both ends of the rollers are full of hair. So you get a bunch of hair out of there. Just helps her run better. She's got some more hair there and hair on both ends of these rollers. And it doesn't hurt to take a shop vac and kind of clean this out. It does a pretty good job of staying clean, but anything you can do to kind of get rid of, more hair stuff and debris, clean that out. And then pop out. I can't do it right now because the one thing with this particular Roomba is her container, her dust container, for some reason doesn't lock in. It's not worth buying a new container or trying to replace parts on the trigger, the lock mechanism. So I just opted for a piece of blue tape, and that works okay. Well, actually, we'll pop that out of there and I'll show you. Let me see. I just used the same piece over and over again. I didn't think I was going to be able to do this with one hand. Yeah, I can. So you need to pop out the HEPA filter, and it gets dirty often. Let me see if I can get that out of here without shooting dust all over. Yep, here it comes. And let's see how dirty it is. Yeah, pretty dirty. I think I've seen it worse, but yeah. This needs to be done more often than you think. Probably once a month. And it doesn't hurt. She's just gonna run more efficiently if you do that. So it's easy to do and easy to put back. If the lock mechanism itself worked, you just snap it in and it should just snap in place, but it just doesn't on ours. And then put the rollers back. They are color coded. You can see that's light green there. So that light green one goes in here, and you can see from the pattern, the arrows, the V arrows are pointed in the direction that this needs to go in, so you can't get them backwards, or you shouldn't get them backwards very easy. And then dark green, dark green there, and that dark green roller goes this way. Again, with the arrows, you can see right there, the arrows are pointing that way. So when we put this in, the arrows point that way. So it's easy to do. In the 2.5 years, I've never replaced the brush, but I am going to replace it today and pull all the hair, the dust and everything, and shop vac this out and clean it out and wipe her face off. Sometimes her face gets dirty where her cameras are and stuff. And just wipe that off with some warm water, maybe warm soapy water, and she's good to go. So just a quick overview how that works and how easy it is to do. And yeah, there you go. Keep your Roomba clean and she'll keep working for you. Thanks for watching.